That's it. Alright, so like I said, this is the ectoplasm from which your Zeitghost will be made. You can fold it long ways, but you'll get a really thin one, but generally we fold it in half, crease it. Okay, now, you can draw from this side down, or you can draw from this side down, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to draw, I always draw from the right side to the left, I don't know why. Okay. Any shape you want, it could be a blob, doesn't matter, it can have multiple arms, multiple legs, horns, whatever you want. But the general idea is, let's do something like wings. And then maybe he's got some hands. Twisted hands. And he comes down like that.
It doesn't matter.
So, okay, now, your scissors. Somebody, one person, will probably do this wrong because they're not listening or paying attention right now. You do not cut from the open flap side. You cut from the crease around. And your faces can be anything you want. It can have multiple eyes, multiple mouths, weird abstract patterns and designs, whatever you want. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's a ghost, it's a Zeitghost, it's a incorporeal entity. It's an apparition, a spirit, what else? Phantasm. It is just a figment of the psychic imagination. So it doesn't have to have a defined shape. If you want to make it just blobby, that's fine. Or if you want to have it real sharp angles, like a box, like a Mr. Box. Alright, so we got, this is the weirdest one I've made all day. So then you just go ahead and make your face. I don't know, this is so nice, the shape, I feel like I'm going to ruin it by, or we'll do it anyway. You get the idea?
Yes.
Oh, yes. It's so beautiful.
There's a zoom button on here.
And then we can use things like this. And then you got a Zeitgeist. Okay, but remember, you're doing the index card with your idiom on the front first, and then you can make the Zeitgeist. Any questions?
Upside down.
Upside down?
It looks like a person.